What you doing, Jack? Hey, boy. Hi, dude. What are you eating? What are you eating, Jack? Hmm? What are you eating, boy? Hi, buddy. Jack. Hey, Jack. Sit. 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 Me paw. Oh, good boy. That's a good boy. Come on, I'll give you something. Come on, get a snack.
Not like you'll have this truck that long anyways.
3, 4, 5, 7, 8. 3, 4, 5, 7, 6. 5, 7, 0, 1. 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. Nice.
I'm not gonna test them anyway. 3, 4, 5.
You remembered that.
Yeah. I'll send you the video of the truck.
That's it. So it's locked right now, right?
7, 8, 3, 4. It's not bad. It's honestly what it was when we were doing Goblin kit. Can't hear that problem, but it is.
Hey, what's going on YouTube? You got the old Mongo man out here in Mongo's garage tonight. It is Thursday. Nope, Wednesday. April 28th, I think. Not real sure. What are you gonna do? 10:15 is the current time. It's getting ready to storm outside. It is springtime, so we're expecting some storms, you know what I'm saying? But we were out here tonight for about 2.5 hours or so, maybe 3 hours altogether. And let's see what we got done tonight on old Dolly. So here's Dolly. Tonight what we got done was this passenger driver's side door. I don't know why I always get the doors wrong. You guys got to watch me cut this hole in. Of course, these were manual doors. Off of KJ's XL, so they didn't have that fancy Ford number plate in there. But not only that, we've got the inside of this door put together, completely and utterly, all together. I got that window tinted, so you can tell it is definitely, I think it's 20% is what I got for those. And this door was already all together, but you can see there we did a little bit of cleaning. KJ's going to get it detailed by one Derek Allen this weekend. And the dinger is on because I got the parking lights on. But put that down. We're hoping Derek can get those stains and stuff out of the seats. I think you get the stains out of the seats of this thing, and that's a really nice interior. Doors are shutting pretty good, and as with a Ford, 7 and 8 locks it. And that did lock the door. You can't see it because they're tinted. But KJ got all the wheels and tires put on it tonight. The rear dry shaft is still out of it. I did not get the opportunity to put that in it tonight or get it fixed because we were putting this door together. We did get the fender badges back on it. KJ's not going to put the V10 badges on it. He thinks it looks better without it, simply because he thinks it's a sleeper truck now. But as we come back to back here, show you what we did with the exhaust. We did this actually last night. You can see it kind of peeking out there. Come back around all the way. Make sure all these lights are still on. Righto. And what's funny is the bugs absolutely adore this thing. They like the, I think they like the texture. They are all over it. But yeah. So that's what we got done tonight. Everything's done pretty much for the interior. I just got a couple little pieces to put on. A couple stops here and there. And just finish all that up, but that's essentially it. So Dolly is well on her way to being done. Get those bed caps. The second, or the last gallon, I should say, of TCP Global was coming in tomorrow, so I'll be able to do all the touch-up work that I want to do and get that done. Other than that, I have to rebuild that rear dry shaft, put the bed caps back on. We're going to put the headache rack back on it, put the bed liner back in it, I got a couple things to button up on the bed. The inner fenders need to be attached again. They're not done. KJ did get this put on tonight. We've got to find the rubbers. He hid them somewhere. He put them somewhere where we would remember where they're at, and we don't remember where they're at. So we got to do that. But yeah, like I said, those bugs, they absolutely adore this stuff. And again, like I said, it's going to be an interesting learning process to figure out how to keep it clean. You know, what is and what isn't. I still have to do the bracket for this guy. It's going to sit, it's 22 inches. And it's essentially going to sit right in there. Something like that. See if I can get it to, it just fits in there perfectly, so that ought to close that gap up and make it look a little better. I think we've probably all seen a Super Duty with the LED light bar in there. And then get it cleaned up. And that's that. What do you guys think? You like it? It's starting to grow on me a little bit, I guess. Like I said before, though, still not too much of a fan of the rough texture of it. But KJ, like I said, he's really digging it. So as long as he's happy, I'm just peachy keen, right in line. All right, guys. I think that's all for tonight. If you guys got any questions or anything, or you see something that maybe we need to do yet, give me a holler down there in the comments below. And got a couple more subscribers. I do appreciate every single one of you guys that watches the videos and checks out what we're doing here in the garage. And really do appreciate it. All right, guys. Mongo Man is out. We'll catch you guys later. See ya.